how to download music on Apple Music. So I like to do this when you're offline, or especially when you're in somewhere like an airplane and you just don't have any service whatsoever. Having this downloaded is really useful. So go to Apple Music, and we're just going to choose anywhere from your playlist or artist or song. So I'm just going to go to songs, and I'm just going to choose this song here. And you want to hit the three dots at the far right side, and you just want to choose download. So what that's going to do is it's going to download the song still in Apple Music, but on your phone itself. That way you can go back and listen to it offline. So we can go back to our library, and you can also do this with playlists as well. So we can click this playlist here, 90s music, and you go to the three dots again at the top right hand corner here, and you can download the entire playlist. So once you're done that, you can go ahead and go back to your library, go down to where it says downloaded, and you'll be able to see all of your downloads. If it's songs, if it's playlists, it's all here on your downloaded music, and this is what you'll be able to listen to when you're offline. And it's that easy.